What's up guys, Thomas Garetz here, and in this video I got a step-by-step Clickbank and Instagram tutorial for you. And it's not just like I'm going to talk about it. I made this entire document and I actually added links to it and made it easy for you to follow so you can actually get access to this. I'll probably just download it as like a PDF and then I'll put it in the description below so you can actually go through it and learn from it, continuing after this, if that makes sense. But I just wanted to simplify it and go step by step, like the real strategy you need to grow on Instagram, to make money with Clickbank on Instagram, and literally the right way to do it, because so many people out here teaching you just the wrong stuff, and I'm here to set the record straight. But yeah, so before we get into it, this is what my channel's about. Talk about making money online, how to start an online business. So if you're interested in that, consider subscribing, hit that little notification bell. Let's get into the video. You can see right here, step one. You probably heard this before, but you got to pick a niche. Okay, that's just your topic, but you want to pick what's called an evergreen niche. Okay, now typically the evergreen niches are health, wealth, and relationships. Okay, pretty much everything fits into that, but there's a bonus one. I was watching a video a while back and I'm like, that's pretty genius. And the bonus is hobbies. You could think of that as like hobbies or like your passion, right? And think about it like this. So like for hobbies, you got woodworking, camping, festivals. People are super passionate about that stuff. So you can make some good money with that. But basically, like with health, wealth, and relationships, for health, you got like fitness, diet, weight loss, self-help, law of attraction. For wealth, you got entrepreneurship, lifestyle, make money online, like what I do. And relationships, you got family, parenting, and dating. So it's pretty simple, right? Pretty self-explanatory. But if you're confused at all with that, I do have a link to my free affiliate marketing guide. You can go right here. It's linked in the description below. But that's step one, pretty basic, but you just have to have that in mind. You know what I mean? And you want to stay niche specific, because when you're growing Instagram, your whole page is going to be based on that niche. Okay, so just keep that in mind. And I think you got an understanding of that. But if you have any questions, you can comment down below and let me know. And step two, it's pretty simple. Create a Clickbank account, right? So we go over here and you just hit create account. Okay, pretty simple. I have it listed out right here. You go there, you create account, fill out the information. So basic. Step three, we got to pick a Clickbank product in the niche we picked up here. Okay, so you see why it goes in order, right? Basically, we go to Clickbank and we're going to go to the affiliate marketplace. Okay, so let me make this like half size. Now, you can see right here, they got all these categories, okay? So for example, if you're in wealth, you would go to e-business and e-marketing, okay? And then you can click that arrow and it will even go more specific. So if you're in affiliate marketing like me, you can click affiliate marketing, all right? Now, you want to sort by gravity, okay? And this is after you pick your niche, after you pick your category. You sort by gravity right here. And then you can see right here, gravity, 183. That's very high, okay? Clickbank University, that's one of the best products out there, one that I definitely suggest using, and that's 58 gravity score. And that's an amazing program, 70,000 plus students. So what gravity is it's just the amount of affiliates that are actually having success promoting the product. Okay, so you know it's a good product. Now, 20 to 30 gravity score, that's like the minimum. And then I say feel free to test others if you'd like, but typically if it's not going to have a high enough gravity, that doesn't always mean people aren't having success with it. I mean, that's what it means. They're not having success, but that doesn't mean you can't, is what I mean, I guess. But yeah, so then the next step is you want to find a product with helpful affiliate resources if possible. Okay, so right here for Clickbank University, they have what's called an affiliate page. Most products have it, especially ones with high gravity scores, will have an affiliate page, and typically they will have some good affiliate resources. So on a lot of these affiliate pages, all you have to do is enter your name, your email, and your Clickbank ID. So we'll just put that stuff in, hit become an affiliate now. And then you can see right here, they tell us about the funnel. They have email swipes. They have tons of stuff, right? And you can find, like, they have keywords, okay? So they don't have like a crazy amount of stuff. Some of these products, like in the health and fitness industry, they have an insane amount of stuff. I'm talking like articles and all types of stuff. That's not obviously as important if you're doing Instagram, but it's something to keep an eye out for, you know what I mean? But anyway, so that's that step, right? Pretty simple. Now, let's say just for example purposes, we are promoting Clickbank University. Now, it would be a perfectly good product for Instagram. However, typically with Instagram, you want to go for a lower price point product, okay? Everything works, but you can test different things. But typically, you want to go for lower price points with Instagram, around like the $20 to $40 price point. Those are going to convert the best. But again, test different products. You're not just stuck in one product, but you do want to stay niche specific, okay? So let's say we are just promoting it. We're going to hit promote. And then what you do is your account nickname's right there. You don't have to worry about tracking, but if you want to, you can add Instagram, okay? And then we'll just generate our hop link, and that's what's called our affiliate link, okay? Now we're gonna copy this. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go to bit.ly.com, okay? And I have that linked right here. All you do is you put in your link right here. I'm gonna push this up a little bit. You put in your link right here, and then you just click shorten. Okay, now you got this little pretty link that's a lot better looking than this, right? So we're just gonna copy our link right there. And then I say shorten the link and save it in a doc for later, okay? So what you would do is you would open up Notepad or whatever, and you would add in the affiliate link, okay? So we'll just put it right here for now, just so I have it. Now, this step I say is optional, but it's highly suggested, okay? So what you want to do, rather than just linking directly to the affiliate product, what you want to do is you want to create the content on Instagram, which we'll get into later, but you'll be able to have a link, okay? And that link, you can either link to your affiliate product, or what you can do is you can link to an opt-in page, okay? So for example, like this, like my guide. This is what's called an opt-in page. I'm sure you've seen these before. It's how you can collect an email, okay? And then after that, you send them to the product, and then you can follow up with them. You could send them those emails. Just like how Clickbank University had those email swipes that you can enter in. So now you can follow up and you get a lot more chances to sell them, okay? And then right here, ConvertKit, $30 a month. That's an email platform, but you can also make landing pages with it. ClickFunnels, $97 a month. It's way better. That's what I use, but I get it's expensive. You can get free trials for both right here. And then this video explains everything. So I'm not going to go super deep into it, but just trust me, it is better, but it's not required, okay? Now for step 4, you got to create the Instagram account, okay? So you're just going to download the app and create your account. This is all super self-explanatory, right? Now, something that a lot of people struggle with is how to like build out their page, right? And it's really not that complicated. Okay, all you have to do is you got to fill out your bio by modeling success. So for example, if we're in the make money online niche, let's type in entrepreneurship, entrepreneur. Okay, so let's find some people in here. Let's see. So you can see this is like Forex. This guy's like Forex, but you can see the type of stuff he's uploading, and you just want to find people like this. So you want to find like entrepreneur like themed pages. You know what I mean? So maybe we'll type in this person. So you can see he kind of does like these like quotes type deal. And you could model this, okay? And you can see what he's doing right here. Pretty much, you just want to model success, okay? You want to see what other people are doing and do exactly that. It's not that difficult, and that's exactly how you want to do it. So you want to find pages in your niche to model after. And then number 3 for step 4, you want to go to Unsplash or Pexels to get a profile picture, okay? And I'll link up above. I did all of this live in another video. I'm just trying to like give you this strategy, okay? This stuff is all super easy to do, but if you're like confused how to do it, feel free to check that video out. But for step 5, you got to start growing. This is the last and most important step. So again, you want to model success, okay? Follow related pages, all right? I say right here, if you can still see likes, it's a lot easier. right? So for example, people that are liking this page, like you can see right here, you can't see the number of likes, but you can still see these people that liked it. So they're interested in this type of stuff. So they're interested in entrepreneurship and making money online. So those are the type of people you want to follow. You don't want to go following just random people. You want to go into your keywords like make money online, affiliate marketing, whatever keywords you're going after. Or if you're health and fitness, you type in a hashtag health and fitness or whatever, health and wellness. And then you find people in this category, like look at her. Yeah, this isn't really the type of person, this is like a personal page, but you want to find like themed pages like this one. You know what I mean? This is like a themed page. It's not like a personal profile, if that makes sense. That's what you want to do. You can go both ways, but really the themed pages are what are going to be better. Now, both work. It's totally up to you. If you want to make a personal brand, that's cool too, but this is more for like growing a themed page for a certain niche. And that's really what's going to work best with Clickbank. But again, just look for other successful pages. I just don't want to waste a lot of your time sitting here typing in pages. It's really easy to find them on Instagram, but I don't want to waste your time. The strategies are really simple. It's the implementing that people struggle with. So you just gotta, like, legitimately, even if while we're going through this, you just pause it and you implement. Pause it, implement. And that's the main thing. You just gotta implement. And that's something that so many people struggle with, right? When this video is done, they're gonna watch another video, right? And then they just never implement. You have to take action. You have to. Okay? And I'm gonna give you everything you need to have all the action stuff you need so you can actually go out and do it the right way, okay? So you followed those related pages, the people who liked, right? This is optional, but I do suggest it. Unfollow them after they follow you back because you don't want to be following a ton of people, okay? If we look at this guy, he's following 80, okay? So he's unfollowing people. But yeah, so that's all I'll say on that. I will speak a little more on that in a minute, but yeah. But anyways, so you want to post 3 to 5 times daily, okay? And the way to know when the best times are, I say post at the best times. There's a free app. It's called When to Post app. And that'll just tell you from analytics when the best time to post is. And then I say use 15 to 20 hashtags. Story-based captions work best if you can learn how to write stories. There's tons of information on the internet about this. If you don't know how, it's not a big deal, but it's literally just telling a story. You could be telling a story about something that happened to you in your life and rope that into selling a product. It doesn't even have to be like related. Literally, it's just using stories. People are drawn in from stories. We're told stories since we're children. So that's pretty much that. And then add every post to your story as well. Okay, so on mine, I think I did this today actually. I hardly ever use Instagram anymore, but you can see right here, I have my new post on my story. So all you do, so what you do is you click this little arrow, and if you're on mobile, there will be a spot that says share this to your story, okay? That's what you want to do, and you can edit it like how I did. I added like new video at the top, but you can add in like text, arrows, and then you can click it and you can click see post. That way you're getting double the people looking at it, if that makes sense. Okay, so that's a super hack. Add every post to your story, okay? And then again, niche related posts, okay? So like that guy, wherever it was, this is another niche page. You can see this is affiliate marketing, and you can see a lot of them do the same thing. It's just these little quotes, and it's so simple, okay? And if you're thinking like, I don't know how to post or I don't know how to come up with content, you can post other people's stuff. Just always give them credit, okay? And then I say here, build relationships. Like and comment on other people's posts and actually like comment back on your posts. You just want to build relationships, you know? Like go on other people's pages, go on the hashtags and build relationships. Naturally, people will see and they'll click on your page and go to your profile. And then naturally, they'll usually click the link in your bio. And then this one, again, if you can handle being on video, doing IGTV and lives are helpful, but again, you don't need to do that. And then at the bottom, I add some final important notes, okay? You have to stay consistent and focused. This is not a get rich quick thing. This is not easy. It's definitely very hard. And yeah, anyone that says otherwise is lying to you, and they just want to sell you something most likely. But it is the most rewarding thing that you can have in your life. I promise you that. Okay? And then I say give people credit, again, when you're using their posts. And there's plenty of apps to help with reposting. You can find that on Google or whatever. I say do not use automation. That's like when I was talking about up here about the follow and unfollow thing. That works, but don't automate it. Instagram will shadow ban you, and you don't want that. And then I also say don't spam your link. Like, you definitely want to be direct messaging people, but don't spam your link, okay? Do not do that. Like, again, build relationships, but like you can also just message them and be like, hey, I saw you were interested in this, and just build a relationship. Don't just, hey, spam your link. Like, that never works. It turns people off. They're not going to buy from you. And again, don't follow a ton of people. When starting, maybe do like 20 or 30 people a day, okay? And I say don't send a ton of copy and pasted DMs. That's, again, Instagram will shadow ban you, okay? And then right here, I say if you created a landing page and you are growing your email list, which the fortune is in the follow-up, make sure to actually send emails, okay? So many people, they grow their list and they never send emails. And if you have people on your list and you've never sent an email, when you do send an email, it's either going to go to spam, or they're just not going to know you, or they might just like spam mark you, which is really not good. And then you can get blocked from your email service provider, and it's just not good. But yeah, so make sure you actually email, okay? If people don't like your emails, they'll unsubscribe, but that's better than them marking you as spam. You do not want that, okay? And then I was like, make sure you actually do no, I can't talk. I was like, make sure you actually do each step. No skipping. Like, legit, if you go through this and implement, you will start to see results. I'm not going to tell you you're going to make money guaranteed, because I don't know if you're going to put in the work. So many people get upset like, oh, I'm not making any money. I've been doing this for a month, spending an hour a day. It's like, it doesn't work like that. I wish it did. I wish it worked for everyone like that, but it doesn't. It just doesn't. And you have to put in some work, legit. Like, you have to work harder than the competition, and you have to work smarter too. But sometimes working smarter just means taking imperfect action every day. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. And then I just added in some additional resources below. If you do want to get the PDF, I'll download it as a PDF, because I know not everyone uses Google Docs, and I don't want to make you download it or whatever. But I'll put it in the description below. And all these resources are here. And then to start making Clickbank sales, again, Clickbank University, the #1 training on Clickbank, right here, guaranteed. So again, if you have any questions at all, feel free to comment down below. And yeah, really, that's all I got. See you on the next video.